Did you know that a prince from the 15th century was one of the greatest astronomers of his time? This prince was Mirzo Ulugh Beg. Delving back into the pages of history, we find ourselves in the heart of Central Asia during the 15th century in the grand city of Samarkand. Here we meet a prince unlike any other, Mirzo Ulugh Beg. Born into the Timurid dynasty, Ulugh Beg was not your typical royal. He was a prince with a penchant for the stars, a fascination that would shape his legacy. From an early age, Ulugh Beg showed an insatiable thirst for knowledge. His passion for learning was not confined to the palace walls. He yearned to understand the universe, to unlock the celestial secrets that lay beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Astronomy for Ulugh Beg was not just a scientific pursuit, but a lifelong passion. This passion led to the establishment of a grand educational complex in Samarkand, a city that was then the capital of his realm. The complex, which included a madrasa or Islamic school and a library, attracted scholars from all corners of the Islamic world and beyond. But the jewel in the crown of this educational enterprise was the Observatory, a testament to Ulugh Beg's dedication to the science of the stars. This was not just any observatory. It was one of the finest of its time, equipped with the most advanced astronomical instruments. Here, Ulugh Beg and his team of astronomers made observations that were years ahead of their time, observations that would change our understanding of the cosmos. But Ulugh Beg was not just a prince with a passion for the stars. He was a prince who understood the power of knowledge, the importance of education. His madrasa was a beacon of learning, a center where scholars could gather to exchange ideas, to push the boundaries of knowledge. So, while he was a prince by birth, Ulugh Beg chose to be a scholar by choice. At the heart of Samarkand, Ulugh Beg built one of the world's finest observatories of the time. Imagine, if you will, the city humming with activity, and at its center an architectural marvel dedicated to the exploration of the cosmos. This was not just any observatory. It was a testament to Ulugh Beg's dedication to scientific discovery and his relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Samarkand Observatory, an architectural wonder of the 15th century, was no ordinary structure. It was an expansive three-story building housing some of the most advanced astronomical instruments of the era. Ulugh Beg himself was deeply involved in its design and construction, ensuring every detail was perfect for the precise observations he planned to carry out. But it was the work conducted within these walls that truly set Ulugh Beg apart. He was not just content with observing the stars. He sought to understand them. He assembled a team of scholars, and together they embarked on an ambitious project to create an accurate catalog of the stars. This was no small feat. It required meticulous observation, precise measurements, and a deep understanding of the movements of celestial bodies. But Ulugh Beg and his team were up to the challenge. They spent countless nights under the stars, mapping the heavens with an accuracy that was unprecedented for their time. The result was the creation of the Zij-e-Sultani, a catalog detailing the positions, magnitudes, and other characteristics of over 1,000 stars. Ulugh Beg's passion for astronomy was not just about the science itself. It was about seeking answers to the mysteries of the universe, about understanding our place within it. His work at the Samarkand Observatory was a testament to this passion. It was a place where science, discovery, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge all came together under the vast starlit sky. His passion for the stars led him to chart the heavens in ways that had never been done before. Even today, Ulugh Beg's star catalog remains one of the most significant contributions to the field of astronomy, a testament to a prince who looked to the stars and saw not just points of light, but a universe waiting to be discovered. Ulugh Beg wasn't just an astronomer, he was also a mathematician and a firm believer in education. A prince with a penchant for numbers and a passion for learning, Ulugh Beg was a man ahead of his time. In the realm of mathematics, Ulugh Beg's work was both extensive and impressive. His most notable contributions were in the field of trigonometry. By painstakingly calculating the sine, tangent, and cotangent tables for each degree of the half-circle, he managed to create a mathematical tool that would be used by scholars for centuries to come. His trigonometric tables, accurate to at least 8 decimal places, were a marvel of the 15th century. But Ulugh Beg wasn't content with just making discoveries. He wanted to share this knowledge, to spread the love of learning. He believed that education was the key to progress, to a better society. He once said, "Pursuit of knowledge is the duty of each follower of Islam, both man and woman." He embraced this philosophy wholeheartedly, and it was reflected in his actions. In the heart of his kingdom, in the city of Samarkand, he established an educational institution that would make his city a beacon of knowledge in the region. The Madrasa of Samarkand, as it was known, attracted scholars from all over the Islamic world. It was a place where ideas were exchanged, where knowledge was shared, where minds were nurtured. Ulugh Beg's dedication to education wasn't just about building institutions, it was about creating a culture of learning. And he encouraged curiosity, promoted critical thinking, and fostered a love for knowledge. His influence reached beyond the walls of his madrasa, inspiring a culture of intellectual pursuit that would thrive in Samarkand for generations. His impact as a mathematician and an educator was profound. He showed us that knowledge is not something to be hoarded, but something to be shared. He understood that the power of education is transformative, that it has the potential to change lives, societies, even civilizations. Ulugh Beg's dedication to education laid the foundation for a thriving culture of learning in Samarkand. Ulugh Beg's life was cut short in a power struggle, yet his legacy lived on. A man of science and wisdom, Ulugh Beg fell victim to the tumultuous politics of his era. His own son orchestrated a coup against him, leading to his unfortunate death. But the end of his life didn't spell the end of his influence. Ulugh Beg's contributions to science and education extended beyond his lifetime. His astronomical tables, the ZG Sultani, were not just remarkable for their time, they were the most accurate for several centuries to follow. These tables, diligently compiled over decades, became an invaluable resource for future astronomers. They were used extensively by scientists like Nicholas Copernicus and Johannes Kepler to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Ulugh Beg's impact was not limited to astronomy. His mathematical tables were also significant. He had a deep understanding of trigonometry, and his work laid the groundwork for the development of the spherical trigonometry, a branch of mathematics that's critical to fields like geodesy, navigation, and astronomy. His passion for knowledge didn't stop at his personal pursuits. As a ruler, Ulugh Beg championed education. He built madrasas, schools for advanced learning, where scholars could study a wide range of subjects, from religion to astronomy. He believed in the power of knowledge and sought to spread it far and wide. His efforts laid the foundation for a rich tradition of scholarship in Central Asia, a legacy that continues to this day. Ulugh Beg's story is a testament to the enduring power of knowledge. Despite his untimely death, his contributions to science and education have continued to shape our world. They have influenced countless scholars, sparked innovations, and helped us better understand the universe we inhabit. Ulugh Beg's legacy as a scholar prince continues to inspire us today. His story is a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge transcends time and politics. It's a tribute to the enduring value of intellectual curiosity and the transformative power of education. So how does a 15th century prince relate to our modern world? You might be wondering. Well, let's delve into it. Imagine the world without the concept of decimal fractions. In today's world, we use decimal fractions in almost every aspect of our daily lives, from calculating distances to measuring ingredients, and even in our financial systems. And it was Ulugh Beg who was among the first to introduce and use decimal fractions, paving the way for its widespread use in the modern world. Now let's turn our gaze towards the stars. Ulugh Beg's astronomical tables, compiled painstakingly over many years, were among the most accurate of their time. They laid the groundwork for future astronomers and navigators. Today, we may have sophisticated telescopes and satellites, but the basic principles remain the same. We owe much of our understanding of the cosmos to the early pioneers like Ulugh Beg. In the realm of education, Ulugh Beg's emphasis on knowledge and learning resonates strongly even today. His establishment of the Madrasa in Samarkand, a center for learning and enlightenment, echoes in our modern universities and institutions of higher learning. His belief that pursuit of knowledge is the duty of each follower of Islam, male or female, transcends time and religion, emphasizing the universal importance of education. Moreover, Ulugh Beg's life and work serve as a reminder of the harmony that can exist between science and culture, between being a ruler and a scholar. In a world where specialization is often encouraged, his story tells us that it's possible and in fact beneficial to wear multiple hats, to be curious, and to continually seek knowledge. So as we navigate through our modern world, filled with advanced technology and scientific wonders, let's not forget the foundations laid by the great minds of the past. Among them stands Ulugh Beg, a prince, an astronomer, a mathematician, and an educator. Even after 6 centuries, Ulugh Beg's work continues to resonate with us, proving that the pursuit of knowledge is truly timeless.